Women's clinics that provide abortions in Texas are rejoicing today after the Supreme Court yesterday voided a 2013 law that put restrictions on abortion clinics. But will this ruling create a ripple effect in Florida? SNN's Crystal Knowles explains.
A new Rick Scott bill set to take effect this Friday is causing concern for Planned Parenthood. For Planned Parenthood of Southwest and Central Florida, President Barbara Dravecki, House Bill 1411 means a lot of things.
We're being targeted unfairly because we are abortion providers.
If the bill takes full effect, it means no state funding, and women receiving services other than abortions will suffer.
Reproductive health care, cancer screenings, Pap exams, STI diagnosis and treatment, HIV screening.
Dravecki is fighting back. Earlier this month, Planned Parenthood sued Florida, and this week she's going to Tallahassee for a hearing with a federal court judge to look over HB 1411.
An interference in the confidentiality of the women specifically who are being targeted because they're having an abortion.
According to the suit, it stigmatizes abortions.
No other medical procedure has that kind of burden of having to have half of the cases of that particular procedure looked at in the state of Florida.
She believes since conservative Texas abortion laws were nullified this week by a Supreme Court, there's still hope for Florida.
Hopefully put a stay on it so that it doesn't go into effect July 1st.
Her message to legislators:
after 100 years of history of Planned Parenthood, these doors are not closing.
The new law also mandates that state officials review the health care records of at least half of the women who have abortions. In Sarasota, Crystal Knowles, SNN, Suncoast News Network.
The lawsuit is also asking for provision to change the definition of a pregnancy trimester.